opening of gifts. In a count of 3,
Senere,
2,
please open.
Open.
Senere, please open my gift.
Open. 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 You like it that? Every day? It's really biblical. Oh. Sa'yo nadawat, ma'am?
100.
Kay wa ka dawat, looy.
Senere,
Sa'yo nadawat?
i-open ako ni.
Oh. Oh, nice. Nice. Imo. Kasi nadawat to silito. Oh, breathe out. Okay. Kanya ako, obrihan ako apod. Obrihan. So. Wow! This is very nice, guys. Here. Oh, di ba? Plito pang salad siya, di ba? Oh, dapat yung kaha. Dapat yung kaha.
Wow, like you.
Oh, dapat yun, dapat yun. Oh.
Wow, like you. Thank you so much.
Oh, yan mo sir. Ako makay nadawat.
Senere, where are you? Abligyan na akong gift.
Exchange gift na lang, oh. Merry Christmas! Okay, Merry Christmas! Oh, Mama Marjorie, pangloto. Okay, more cake to come. Plato, ang nakata. Stick. Diba? So every day, it's really a very nice book. Yes, very nice. Every day there's a gospel. Daily reading. Daily.
I have one of these at home, but I do not have one for 26.
Oh.
You are a mind reader.
Oh. Yeah. Because I really love that book also. Because you are a bookworm.